So now let's see how we can work around with the print page settings inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So here you can see that I am in the print module and I have my picture package selected. So same goes for the custom package as well. If you were to select that, you get the same option. So now over here, what you can do is you can change how the page actually looks. So let's just go ahead and choose picture package, let's say for example, and then expand out the page. So here you can see that you can actually change the background color of the page if you want. So you can go around over here and choose the color that you want right here, just like this. Choose the color, and then you can see that the background color of the page changes out just like that. So apart from that, you can also see that I can go ahead and add in an identity plate right here if I want to right here, and you can see that my name is actually over here. You can also go ahead and override the color and it comes on to the top right here just like this, and then here you can go ahead and choose a particular color for your identity plate as you want as well. So apart from that, you can see that you can change the opacity of the identity plate. You can go ahead and change the scale of the identity plate, and you can also go ahead and render it behind the image or render it out on every image just like this as well. You can also go ahead and turn on watermarking if you want as well. So you can go ahead and turn on logo watermarking or the intuitive watermarking, as you can see right here just like this. As you can see, you can also go ahead and enable the cut lines or cut guides as you want, and you can also add in crop marks just like this according to how you want right here as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the print page settings inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.